Hello everybody, this is Jennifer. Thank you so much for popping back by my channel. I have another advent calendar for you. This one is Anna Griffin's. So if you're not into Anna Griffin, you may not find any interest in it. But this is really interesting because if you watched last year's advent calendar, it was all different tags. You got 12 sets with dies, embellishments, papers, cording, that kind of thing. This one is only paper ornaments. And when I purchased this was pre-order, I paid $36 for it. I believe it's $50 now on her website and will be on HSN as of midnight tonight. I'm going to link this. It's up. You can get it on HSN. If you like it, the link will be in the description for HSN, or just go on HSN. Also, they're having a $7.50 craft cart and a secret sale, and this is the last craft day of the year, so make the most of it, people. And it's 12 unique paper ornaments. So I bought it without any sneak peeks or previews when I ordered it. So open it. I will say it is it's a large box, skinny. You can see like the size of my finger. And here are just the instructions. I have to say, I am very interested if you guys are going to love this or be not happy with it. So we're going to see what you think. First off, the inside, very cute. It looks like her house, if you have the die, anything like that, where she has like the little house. And there was a paper ornament that we made a couple years ago that looked kind of like the little houses with these kind of windows. So I was expecting something different. And the biggest difference so far is there are no dies in here. So look, if you don't want to know, if you want to be surprised, look away now, because we are going to open them up and I'm going to show you how these assemble if you didn't already see it. I'm not sure. Let's just get started and let me show you what, no, wrong one. Show you what there is. I actually did see now in a preview show on her, on the AGTV, I saw the finished ones, so I have an idea. But again, I bought this in advance of it. So when I first saw this, as you can see, they are a paper ornament. So it's, you know, cute size. But I was thinking, well, let me show it to you here, and maybe I'm just wrong with this. Okay, there is going to be, let me take this out carefully here. So if you see, there are two. This is the main part of it in here, and if you see, these remind me of like what we had as kids, I guess would be the right way to put it. These will slide in together. I will also tell you, it's, I don't know, it's not even it's not even like 300 GSM. I don't think paper. Okay, so I don't know. I'm not sure what I think. I think they're really pretty, but I'm not sure what I think, because I kind of showed my husband what the premise was, and his attitude wasn't the best. So here you have, okay, these two little beads. There's two little gold beads that will go on the bottom here. Gold cording for the top and the bottom. And I'm just going to show you on this first one. We're not going to do every one like that. These little pieces go in between. I'm thinking they'll probably go, no, they are going to go this way. So it'll cover the, I'm not going to glue it right now. I don't have that with me. But if you look, okay, so that creases, and the idea is so you don't, it'll hold it together. Okay, so here you go. That's going to fill right over it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 little beads to put at your bottom, and then the gold cording to tie it all together. So my first thinking, even when I see the first one here, it is really pretty, but I feel like I need extra bling. I feel like there should be some sparkly gems, so you can see I can go flat. Sparkly. Now, if you leave it like that, you can always puff it up for the next year. But if you, once you put those in, I don't think it's going to fold as well. Okay, so, all right, we're going to go through the other ones quickly. I just wanted you to get the idea of what's involved with these. Okay, number two. Number two, this should go quickly. Day two is going to be snowflakes. Same thing, cording, 2 beads, the little inside pieces. See, you can see how they are meant to fold. And here are our pretty snowflakes. So that is really pretty. I'm not going to fold each one together because, but again, like, wouldn't this be pretty with like gold little, I just bought some new, I just got some new little gems too. I'm like, oh my gosh, look at that. I don't know if you could see, there's like little dots of iridescence. So even like, these are more like, these are actually teeny tiny flat back seed gems, but those are the wrong, the white's okay, but I need the colored ones. I just bought some teeny tiny little gems, and I will say this is something you could probably easily do with kids, so that would be kind of neat, or even just family, that kind of thing. So fun night. So let's take a look at these quickly. Cardboard is thin. If you saw the diamond press ones, oh my gosh, it was a struggle to get through. Okay, and here, let's see. As you can see, again, the little house. I love this. I don't know why I like it so much, but I think her dies. She's had some kits like that too. So cute. So here is the little house one that will slide in and out. I have to put that together because it's just too cute. Right? There we go. Can I get that quite on straight there? Yes. So our little house, and the inside part, let's see. Okay. The inside part is the whole... You'd have to do it flat here, but look at that. It's the whole tree. And isn't that cute? I don't know. I think it's cute. It's cute because of all the gold foil and everything. Okay, next. Let's do number 4. Okay, here we have our cute little snowman. And oh, his hat. That's cute. Okay. See, like, look at, this is... I don't know. Be careful of the arms. I could tell they're very thin, but the little hat is the part that will fold in between your parts to hold them together. Okay, so cute. Let's put him away. I feel like I wanted everybody to see this because I didn't know what was in it. I'm glad I only paid $36 for it. I don't know how I'd feel about paying $50. Being a diehard Anna fan, you know, it makes it hard to say no to anything. So here we have the whole snow globe, and then it's the whole part. Okay, let's just put the foil in there. That whole part goes in between. So that's cute. Very cute. For $6. Okay. Very pretty. Again, at least she's like the gold there, but of course I'm telling you, I'm going to show you once theirs are all done, because I'm like, oh, I have beads that are gonna, or gems that are gonna work for this. There you go. Okay, so here we have our pretty 2 pieces of the ornament. It's got the gold on it, and then you have these big pieces that'll go in between, okay, to hold the 2 pieces together. I feel like, I don't know why there's such a shadow there, but I mean, honestly, I think you could easily, if you just took what's here, you could have these together in 30 minutes easily. Like, they're just a couple minutes each to put this together. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but you will let me know. Okay, here's our next one. I think I saw a sample of this one yet, because it's really, that's pretty. Goes this way. Okay, we have our little things kind of crissy-cross. Here's the ones, the parts. That'll go in between the 2 pieces together. When they're, well, you get the gist of it. But the thing is, I mean, you could probably pop this out with a bit of foam if you want to, also to give it a little dimension. So that's something I definitely will be doing, just so it looks a little more dimensional. And like I keep saying, beads, glitter, shine, something. You know, I don't know. I do like it, but I'm a bit disappointed that there was none of that kind of stuff in here, because I'm like, what? I don't know. I don't think it would have cost much to add that little bit. Here we have the Christmas bell. Okay. And I swear this is like a gray, white, and gold. And we have the little flowers to put in between. That'll fold in between. I'm not even gonna open the rest of the way up here. Some of these are just, oh, this one's cute. I like this one. I saw it hanging in the picture. We have our little ballerina. I'm not sure if these are actually from are they all from the Nutcracker? Because I don't think I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Or is it just the typical little pretty girl? There we go. Beads are in there. And then you have 4 to go into each corner as it'll, fold up. And not on this part, but on here, I don't know if you can see, again, glitter. And it's actually has like a holographic iridescence kind of thing on the glitter. So that makes it prettier. And let's look real quick, because it might be cut off the bottom of the screen here. Okay, so here, number 10, here we have our Mouse King. See, Nutcracker, Mouse King. Cute. Same thing, very cute. And I'm wondering, yeah, because it's all the extra little pieces that have the glitter, which makes sense. So we can glue it on. But again, I will definitely be popping up with some foam tape or something to just jazz them up just a little bit. Let me know, are you guys going to do that? So I do have another Advent coming in to show you. That probably won't be for another week or so. But keep posted, hit subscribe, let me know what you like, what you think of these. Okay, so here we have the tree. That is, I don't know if you could see, I feel like, there you go. If you could see how much of the gold foiling, it's really pretty. And then it has the star. So once you can see the crease right through there. Once they're put together, that's where you'll be putting that add bit. See, like, I feel this absolutely has to have some kind of gems or some other stuff on it, right? And I probably should have even gotten those out ahead of time, so we could have made them with the extra gems and stuff on. But I'm going to do that soon, because it looks fun. Okay. Okay, that tree was actually 12. I don't know if you noticed I did that in the wrong order. So here's 11, which is our pretty little Nutcracker. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have so many Nutcracker things. I stickers, and I put them on all scrapbook pages, and I'm telling you, it's from growing up going to Disney World Christmases with the parade and those Nutcrackers. I think I became obsessed ever since then. Love that part of the parade. Okay, so here we have that, and his cool little shirt is what's going to go over it, and that's it. And so that's number 11. And I really thought, when I saw this and I saw multiple pieces, I thought we were going to be getting, to make 3-4 ornaments per number. I had no idea it was only going to be 12 of the individual. And like I said, number 12 was the Christmas tree. Me doing that out of order. Sorry for that. But I thought for sure it was going to be, like, I saw 2 pieces. And I swear I thought it looked like there was like 3 or 4 in the picture when I saw it before the pre-order. So I thought we were going to make at least 3 or 4 of these ornaments, so you could have like a whole little tree made with these. So I do really like it. My husband was not such a fan, because he's like, there's not even any crafting. And I'm like, oh, but I'm going to put gems, and I'm going to put beads, and it'll look really cute, and I might put a little tassel at the bottom. So I think you could really zhuzh these up. So for me, at $3 a piece, yeah, I like it, and it's fun. And I'm just telling you, if you're going to get it, get the beads, get the gems, get the tassels, get extra cord, whatever you want to do to add it. So for me, I like it. It was worth the $36. Please let me know what you think, and I'll be back again soon. Bye for now.